Using Allas. Allas is a storage solution for data that is stored and used during the project. Allas is accessible from CSC supercomputers but also from personal computers as well. To access Allas you need to have CSC account, have a computing project, apply for PuTTY and Allas services, accept PuTTY and Allas services, Allas service in my.csc.fi. Log into my.csc.fi with your CSC account. Go to Project Details or My Projects. See that you have access to Allas service. Accessing Allas from the browser. One simple way to access Allas is through PuTTY Cloud Service. If you are accustomed to using mainly a graphical user interface, you should start here. Log into PuTTY.csc.fi with your CSC account. Go to Object Store and Containers. Do not confuse these with Docker containers. Let's call these containers buckets. Create a new bucket by clicking the Container button. Keep the bucket private and give it a name. Create another new bucket. Make this bucket public and give it a name. You can use the public bucket to publish files in the internet. A container in PuTTY interface is more commonly called a bucket. A bucket is storage area for your files and the data is stored there as objects. To edit the data you have to first download it from Allas. Click the bucket to see its content. Upload a file. You can share files to internet via Allas if they are in a public bucket. Log out when you are ready. Connecting to Allas from PuTTY. PuTTY web interface is suitable for testing purposes. Usual workflows on supercomputers happen in the command line interface. Allas has a set of command line tools which enable user to access and move files easily. Open the SSH connection to PuTTY. Load the Allas module with module load Allas. Configure Allas with AllasConf. Type your CSC account password. Choose which project to use. If there's only one project, it is chosen by default. List the available buckets with a list. List the files inside a bucket with a list bucket name. Allas is meant for storing data during project lifetime. Default quota is 10 terabytes per project. Only used quota is build. See information of a file with a info bucket/file. If the file is in public bucket, it shows you the URL to that file. Download the file to PuTTY with a get bucket/file. See that the file got there with ls. See the content of the file with cat file. Data in Allas is available for everyone in the same project. Please find more information in the tutorial and the documentation. The tutorials about Allas continue from here. They cover the basic use cases with easy-to-follow examples. Allas documentation covers the introduction to Allas including technical details. The Common Use Cases section contain information on how to use A tools and our clone.